Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. Behind me, the 2024 Indigo DD35. It is a new for 2024 floor plan. It has everything you need for great family vacations. Maybe you're going to full-time. We're talking a king bed, 300 watts of solar. It comes in at exactly 37 feet. Outside, this thing is loaded for you to load up with all your gear. Right under this slide, a nice storage bay here. These are a rotocast material. They have a drain in there so you can throw your dirty items in there and then just hose them out. Exterior propane connection right here, right next to your propane fill. So you can hook up a grill, you can hook up a griddle. You're gonna need your propane on for your heat, your furnace, your hot water. We have an exterior TV. It's got a built-in Bluetooth soundbar. Power patio awning up above. There are LED lights built into the arm so you can put out the awning on a day like today, block that sun, but it's also a little breezy. So if the wind would kick up, automatic sensors on there that will automatically retract. Slam latch doors on these bays if you've noticed. Another nice storage bay here. Each bay has its own lights. Batteries and breakers in there. We have a pet tie down when you travel with your pets because they love to go bye-bye in the RV, don't they? Our occupant and cargo carrying capacity on this particular unit is 3,684 pounds. Freshwater fill here. There's your tank, another storage bay underneath, and we have another storage bay right there. 50 gallons of fresh water on this, 40 on the gray, 40 on the black tank. As we head inside, a couple controllers in the door, your 12-volt battery disconnect switch and the on and off switch for your 1800 watt inverter. Come on in, Tom. We're gonna take a spin around the interior. We're gonna start up front. This is built on a Ford F53 chassis, 7.3 liter V8 under the hood, 335 horsepower, 460 pound-feet of put the hammer down torque, which is great when you have something on an 8,000 pound hitch, and you can check out whatever is on that hitch right here in your infotainment center. This screen is beautiful. It's crystal clear. You have Sirius XM satellite radio. Let's do not remove. You don't tell me what to do labels. I'm showing off the DD35. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You can download your favorite RV specific navigation, and then you plug in right down here. That's going to pull up right here. You also have integrated side view cameras on these mirrors, which will show up when you turn your directional on. There's also a button right here that looks like a little camera. You can press that. Those will pop up right there. Bluetooth controls right here for your radio, hands-free calls as well. Over here, while we're talking steering wheel controls, gauges, information, miles per gallon, all those things you need to do to keep track every year to go. Cruise control down below. HVAC, traction control, cup holders, nice place to keep your phone. Real quick spin of the dash here so we can get into the living area. I want you to know what you're in for. One-touch leveling jacks, heated remote mirrors, fog lights, an emergency start button, sunshade, cabin light, generator start. You can start your generator from here, which is great when you pull into camp. Just fire it up, 5,500 watt generator on this. Driver and passenger fans as well. And notice this comfortable seat here swivels. Flip out dash workstation. The outlet down below is tied into that 1800 watt inverter, so when you're on the go, you can really just flip this around and maybe you set up a laptop, and if your traveling partner is into social media, you connect to the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender, and now you have internet no matter where you happen to go, right? Or you have these spun around, and notice we have this table here, right? So when that is spun around as well and not in the driver's position, look at this. How about this for a nice morning coffee table, right? Or maybe a late snack, maybe a game, doesn't matter. This is a wonderful setup, and with the seat swiveling, it becomes part of our living area. Right up top, as we work our way back, we have the Project 2000 drop-down overhead bunk, 500 pounds on this. Operates with just the touch of a button there, and you can always lock it, pull the key out if you want to store some belongings up there and use it as a safe when you are away. Theater seating in here. Seat belts for the ride. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seat belts for 6 in here. So if you want to sit down, put your feet up, more than welcome to do that. Cup holders, large storage bay. Smart TV in here, so you can go ahead and stream away all your favorite TV shows. Perfect. This is perfect place for family movie night. Very large dinette. Look at that. Wireless phone charger. Don't hide it, flowers. You're hiding all the goodies. Set your phone right up there. Go ahead and charge it. Also USB-A and USB-C ports right under this tab, so you can plug in and hardline as well if your phone does not support wireless charging. Cup holders, seat belts for the ride. You have a little bit of storage underneath there and a built-in child safety tether as well, so everyone can come traveling. And this kitchen is amazing. My favorite kitchen setup in the entire lineup. I just love the way this is set up. A crazy large double bowl sink over here. You have the roll-out cover that doubles as a drying rack, and then the storage is unbelievable. Cabinet, cabinet, cabinet. Another cabinet right there. This makes a great spice rack back here. Nice large counters here. You can fit, this is a great prep area, and then you can move right over here to your cook area. You have an oven, 3-burner gas cooktop. You have this glass cover. Microwave as well. This is a convection microwave, so the best of both worlds for people who like convection microwaves. You love the oven, right down there. A lot of counter space over here as well, so really just a wonderful kitchen if you love to cook when you're on the road, because when you're out, yeah, sometimes you don't want the hassle. You want to eat out and you want to explore some of the local mom and pop restaurants in the town. You're another night, you're like, there's no way I am eating in this town, and you're tired, but you still feel like having a nice, healthy, home-cooked meal. This is the kitchen for you. A lot of storage underneath. Huge, just absolutely massive amounts of storage in here. You can bring just about anything you want with you, even a little drawer right over here. Love this fridge, residential refrigerator. All your controls are right here. It's large. Locks, you open it up, look at this. Look at the room you have in here. All the shelves, the drawers, fit everything you need right in here. How about another storage option for you? I told you, we mentioned possibly full timing. This would be a great setup for you. Think of all the appliances you can take, and you don't really have to leave anything at home. I mean, bring the coffee maker, bring the blender, bring the smoothie machine, whatever it is, bring it with you. Rapid Camp Plus right here, setting up camp, crazy easy in this. Main screen lighting, all right, control all the lights from here. Electric, take a look at what's happening. What's the state of your house battery, your chassis battery? This is going to be a 50 amp coach, by the way. Control your climates. You have 2 roof ACs mounted in here. Control everything from there. Vents and fans, and then you hit the coach button. Slides are currently locked. Yes, they are, because the ignition needs to be on and the parking brake needs to be set, but you will control your slides from here, your awnings, and then you can see the battery level in the remote switches. Check your tank levels from here. I went over those, 50 on the fresh, 40 on the gray, and on the black. You can run some diagnostic checks as well, and then get into your settings, and you can connect to the mobile app. And this is Vega Touch Eclipse. So what's great about this is when you have this all set up with your phone, you can control your DD35 from anywhere in the US, Canada, or in Mexico. So great setup there with Rapid Camp Plus. Midship bath in here. Look at all the room you have in here. More storage. This is really a storage beast among Class A gas motorhomes. Up in here, you have cabinets here, hot water controls, porcelain foot flush toilet, places for extra towels, glass door on your shower. You have a skylight up above, plenty of room in there, nice shower head on a wand so you can get all cleaned up after a day of adventuring. King size bed in that bedroom. Look at that. Nice, comfortable sleeping. The room is absolutely amazing back here as well. We have storage up above, 4 cabinets. Those will hold whatever you need. In the nightstand, we have recessed little nooks and crannies for you. We even have storage. Again, we talked about Cat 6. That's going to be right there for you. And then we have a fireplace in the bedroom. How about that sweet option for you, right? So you're back here, you can turn it on, you can change the color, you can set the heat. If you don't want heat, because this works phenomenally well. A lot of times in the early spring or late fall, even into early winter when Tom and I are out shooting, these will be what keep us warm. You can control the heat from here, or you can completely shut the heat off and then just use the colors just as a night light or a little ambiance, whatever you want. And then we get into this massive closet. I told you the storage in here is just amazing. Absolutely amazing in here. Also, we have 84-inch ceiling height. This is a soft touch ceiling, by the way, so it's a very roomy, very large, and it feels large. Class A gas motorhome. Just so much storage in here, so much room. Family vacations, full timing. I mean, everything you need is right here. This is the DD35, an absolutely amazing floor plan. Again, it's new for 2024, so why don't you build your own at thormotorcoach.com.